Hi everyone, this is MH. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these very easy 2-row coasters. These 4 are done in 2 rows, but if you use a very thick yarn and a large hook, you can make these coasters with only 1 row. So let's get started. To make these easy coasters, I'm going to work with worsted weight yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join and form a ring. Chain 2, 1, 2. Work 12 double crochet in the ring. If you want to close that center hole, work around the yarn end. So I'm going to go ahead and complete my 12 double crochet. Okay, I've worked 12 double crochet in the ring. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of that first double crochet. And that's the first row. And if you worked around the tail end, you can close that hole in the center. And now for the second and last row, chain 2. And that does not count as a stitch. Work 2 double crochet in every stitch all the way around. 1, 2. 1, 2. All the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of the first double crochet. And that's all you need to do to work a 2-row coaster. And that will be large enough to fit most glasses. And all of these were worked with worsted weight yarn and a 6mm hook. And if you work with a thick chunky yarn like this and a 10mm hook, which is a large hook, you only need 1 row of 12 double crochet. And that's how easy it is to crochet these coasters. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.